here. Is it on?
Yeah.
Nice and cool out here. Not a chance at breaking a sweat. Ha. Sweat doesn't have a prayer. Anyway, we got a lawnmower here. Fresh from the side of the road. I took it to the lawnmower repair guy. See if he could get it running for me. He unloaded it off the truck. Pulled it 2 times after he squeezed the bulb. It fired right up. So it's missing an air filter. We got an element, but we don't have a cover. We'll rig it. No. Wait a minute. Hang on. All right. Well, we're going to give it a swing here. We got the head mechanic going to figure out how to operate this machine. I know nothing about it. Give her a... nothing yet. Go ahead.
At least it's trying to start.
Let me perform some surgery here and we'll bring you right back.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. Some starting fluid. Give it a shot. Doesn't like that, does it? We're missing something in front here. Something has been removed. Ah!
Spark plug wire.
Spark plug wire is not on. Let's see if we got some fire first. Let's find a screwdriver. Got a whole bunch of them in the truck. I'll be right back.
There was one in that.
Oh yeah, right here. All right. And we got good fire. You hook it up and make a difference, I think. Instead of laying there on the ground. Try it now. Well, anybody out there is smarter than the lawnmower, because apparently
we ain't it.
We are not. This thing rolled out of the trailer just fine. Pushed it out. We pushed it into the trailer when we went and picked it up and rolled it out. It rolled just fine. Now, no matter what we move here, there, everywhere, we cannot get it to where it will roll. If you crank it up and put it in gear and try to go, you let up on the clutch, it dies. There's no switch in the back for disengaging the rear end. Usually you got this thing you can pull so you can push it. There's not one on this. So I've got to speak to someone who knows more about this than I do, because I know nothing about a riding lawnmower.
I am not smarter than the equipment I am working with.
Exactly. That makes 2 of us. So I do know how to operate. Let me see here. This. I can operate that. Trouble is, I cannot operate that long. I can operate it for about 2 minutes, so it's going to take me a little while to mow 8 acres.
Yeah, and it's raining.
And yes, it's raining. So I think that since this is fail for now, we're going to go inside where it's cool and have a cold drink of water. Yay.
Yay.
Say bye, people.
Bye, people.
Bye, people.